Your brain is not just an organ. It's the most sophisticated prediction-making machine on this planet. Let me explain. In the first 5 years of our lives, the brain is tirelessly building its basic prediction models based on everything around you. Your parents' voices, facial expressions, and responses teach your brain what to expect from relationships. Your environment, whether it's chaotic or calm, safe or threatening, becomes the template for what normal feels like to you. Friends and caregivers show you how social interaction works. Now, these early experiences create your brain's default settings, its automatic assumptions about how the world operates, how people behave, and what's likely to happen next in any given situation. As you grow up, your brain uses these early patterns to constantly predict what's going to happen next. It's like having an internal weather forecast which is running 24/7. See a frown on someone's face, your brain instantly predicts based on past frowns you've experienced. Walking into a new room, your brain is already guessing what kind of interaction you can expect based on experiences in a similar room in the past. Here's where it gets interesting. Every time your brain's prediction is wrong, it has the opportunity to update its model. If you predicted someone would be angry based on their expression, but they were actually just concentrating, your brain notes the error. If you expected a social situation to go badly, but it went well, that's new data for your brain. But here's the catch. This only happens if you're paying attention. If you're on autopilot, you might miss the correction entirely and keep running the old prediction. When you consciously feed your brain new sensory information, really noticing what's actually happening right now, instead of what you expect to happen, you're giving it fresh data to work with. Each time you do this, you're literally rewiring those old prediction patterns. If your early experiences taught your brain that new situations are dangerous, but you consciously observe that new situation is actually safe, you're upgrading that prediction model. And that's why some people who were shy in their early ages suddenly become all curious and adventurous and are going for solo trips and doing bungee jumping and skydive. I'm probably talking about myself. If your childhood experiences created patterns of expecting rejection, but you consciously noticed the evidence of acceptance and connection with a lot of love, you're rewiring those neural pathways as well. What you consistently, consciously feed your brain becomes your new baseline reality. Your brain starts predicting based on these updated patterns instead of just old childhood templates. This isn't some wishful thinking. It's giving your prediction system better, more current data to work with. Here comes the best part. Your brain doesn't actually distinguish between old reality and new reality. It uses whatever information it has most recently and consistently received. So when you consciously provide new information through active sensory awareness, you are literally teaching your brain to expect and create different outcomes. This is why sensory grounding work is so powerful. You're not just relaxing, you're actively upgrading your brain's operating system with the real-time data instead of letting run on outdated programming from decades ago. Want to learn more? Comment the word sense and I'll send you the replay of my recent webinar on this topic. My name is Raj, your mindset coach, and I'll see you in my next video.